Hello. If you were scammed by a credit repair company, it's because you clearly didn't do the research. You can't, as an adult, or you can blame the company for scamming you, but they didn't put a gun to your head, especially if you called Lexington Law, if you called creditrepair.com, if you called Sky Blue, if you called any credit repair company, or if you saw a bandit sign of a credit repair company and you called them, they didn't put a gun to your head. Nobody did. The reason why you're upset is because you fell for it. You made the decision to choose them because you're poor judgment skills. Okay? So if you were scammed, it's basically your own lack of identifying a legitimate company, or let's just say it's not about calling a company a scam. It's about calling a company saying, hey, they're just not quick enough, or they're not meeting your expectations. Now, if you're impatient and you wanted your credit repaired yesterday and you destroyed it, okay, well, you have to look in the mirror and ask yourself, who did it? Lexington Law didn't destroy your credit. Sky Blue, the scam artist, didn't destroy your credit. You did. So blame yourself. It's 2023. And in 2022, when it was 2021, you guys waited for the new year to start. You guys are very, very strange. I mean, you just think that because you go around the sun one year that things really change. No, you can change any moment. So let's just take the time right now and take advantage of it. Change the way you think and evaluate companies. Now, here's the thing. Those of you that call me, I don't pick up the phone. I don't want to talk to you. There's a voicemail that says, not going to talk to you. There's no salespeople here, okay? Because that's the problem with you people, is that you expect someone to sell you. No one's going to sell you. Do your own homework, okay? If you know anything about, and if you don't already know that Pinnacle is a legit company and we have multi-million-dollar companies invested interest in our business and investors looking to grow our company, okay, think about this. Why would an investor put millions of dollars into a business when you're sitting here worried about your $1,000 that you don't even have? Because people that tend to call on the phone and they're not certain, I do know this. People that are broke people, they don't do research. That's why they're broke. Smart people maintain their wealth and their money, and they don't lose it to stupid purchases because they are patient, they're smart, and they're educated, and they make the right, they know how to shop. If you're above the age of 18 and you don't know how to shop, I don't even work with the people. Like my clientele category is like 25 is like the youngest and up, okay? I'd say about 30 and up. 30 to 55 is my criteria of, it's like adulthood. Now, if you don't know how to shop, this is a credit repair company. We're not going to teach you how to shop, okay? But like I said, I'm making this video here to let you guys know that you guys need to do the research. And if you don't know about things that we do, it's because you didn't take the time to do your homework, okay? One guy, and not just that guy, but plenty of people have messaged me and they ask me, do you have time to chat? No, I don't have time to chat. I'm a successful person. Now, when you tell people that, they get a bad taste in their mouth. But here's the thing, that's how winners act, okay? If you want to meet Michael Jordan, you called him, okay? If you wanted to meet Elon Musk, he's gonna be like, who the F are you? That's the first thing he's gonna ask, who the F are you? And I'm gonna say that to you, who the F are you? You're the person with bad credit. Obviously you have bad credit. I know that you have bad credit. Why else would you call? The phone number of our business is not for people to just call for personal health development, personal health. And, it's just not that. We're not a self-help business. Although I don't mind, sharing some of my wisdom on my channel, but I just want to keep it real with you guys. If you cannot handle how winners think and talk, then no wonder why you're in this predicament, okay? If you use Lexington Law, it's a reflection of your own stupidity, not mine. So whatever company that scammed you or this or that, it has nothing to do with Pinnacle. And it has nothing to do with the next company, because Lexington Law does make a difference for people. I mean, they make millions for a reason. They're not scamming anybody. I will tell you that. They're my competitor, so to speak. If you look up Pinnacle, Lexington is there. If you look up Lexington, Pinnacle is next to it. Go do a search right now. Use Google. If that's too hard for you, then just go. I don't want to deal with lazy people, because if you can't even do your own homework and know how to evaluate which company you want to work with, then why do you want to call me and waste my time? I have existing clients, okay? I'm not hurting for business, okay? We've been doing pretty good, pretty damn good for the past 10 years. So don't call me with that ego thinking that I need you. I don't need ungrateful, highly, not agreeable people calling me and just trying to tell me how to do my business. You're not a business owner, for one. And and typically people that do that, they don't have money. So I'm sorry that you're broke. I'm not broke. My clients are not broke because they pay for the service. I don't deal with broke people. If you don't have money, then leave me alone. I've had clients that can't afford my fee today, but they save up, okay? They save up. They do the smart thing. If you don't have money, save it up. I have 50 people that messaged me, and I talked to them in the past month. They're saving up for next week. I don't know if they're going to sign up. Usually they do. If someone says, "Oh, I need a couple of weeks," I don't bother them. They tell me this. I don't have to nag people for cash. I don't have to nag. I don't do that. We don't have a sales type of environment here at Pinnacle. We're all organic. I've told you guys on this channel, you're never going to find one advertisement from Pinnacle. It's a miracle. And the only way a business can survive like that is if they actually have a really good product and service. Okay? You're probably not going to make hundreds of millions of dollars without a sales team, granted that, but that doesn't mean the business is not great. Especially if you look at the press. Just do a Google search of Pinnacle. Is that difficult to do? Don't waste my time. If you want to hire me personally and you have the money ready, you can talk to me. Some people might think that's arrogant. I don't know what is arrogant about it. It's a business. Okay? If you want to ride a bus, okay, a city bus, you broke people. If you want to ride a city bus and you don't have money, are you going to sit there and fiddle around and ask the bus driver, like, "Can I ride for free?" They're like, no. They feel sorry for you. They might let you on board, but things cost money. They're not going to let you on the bus for free. And you're going to say, "Oh, that bus driver is rude." Dude, they don't have to. I'm not entitled. I mean, you're not entitled to take my time. I don't need to talk to you. Okay? If you're talking to a doctor, if you're talking to a surgeon, okay, and you can't just go up in there without paying for his time, $100 at least for a consultation. And he's going to tell you what you need to know, and that's that. You can't just sit there and waste your time because you're uncertain. If you're uncertain, then he's going to back away. But okay, well, you figure that out. What do you expect him to do? Like, pamper you through the whole way? Are you a baby? Like, be an adult. If you don't know how to properly evaluate things on your own, then you might need a lot more than just credit help. Okay? Maybe the same type of behavior is what you administer to all of your other dealings in your life. Take, for instance, credit cards. You're lazy. You're not on time on your payments because you don't know how credit cards work. And so you're going to blame the credit card company for not teaching you. Dude, YouTube channel, look it up. Hire me, I'll teach you. If people have good credit, learn from them. Find some friends with good credit and ask them. It's not a matter of not having the resources or information. The information is out there. Go to ChatGPT and figure it out. I mean, go to YouTube or Google and you could learn this stuff, right? So that's basically it. You guys are being lazy. People that call that just want information, well, okay, good. You just want to be paralyzed with information and not do anything and act upon it. Like, I could teach you how to get a six-pack and how to get nice arms and, ripped, but that's not going to get you the six-pack, right? You actually have to do it yourself. In terms of credit repair, You don't need to do it yourself, okay? Because if you could do it, you've already done it, okay? So if you think you can learn this stuff, then I challenge you to do it on yourself and don't bug me. But if you don't want to learn it and you just want someone to get it done, then I invite you to hire me. But I'm going to let you know I'm not going to talk to you if you're not ready to sign up. What do you expect me to do? There's plenty of information out there. You're just impatient. And so people, they want to wrap up all of their decision making within a short phone call. You're trying to force me to be in that situation, to pressure you to sign up, and you're trying to make a decision, yes or no, within that time frame. It's not right. You shouldn't do it, and I shouldn't be in that situation. What you should do, okay, what you should do has nothing to do with me. It's your credit. My credit is A1, okay? I can ask the bank for $1 million right now and get it. You can't. Here's the thing. You need to do that yourself and do the research. And guess what? I know that might piss you off, but like I said, if you want to work with a winner, they're going to be stingy on their time. You want to work with someone that is aggressive and upfront. Do you want to work with a guy that's fixing credit like, oh, okay, yeah, I guess we can fix it, or, oh my God, and just listen to your shit and just listen to you and like not get anything done? Winners in life get things done, okay? We don't have time for BS, okay? Your credit is messed up. Do you want to change, right? You see the results that we have. You see the testimonials. We're not making it up. I'm actually going to show some more testimonials. I might link it in this video. I might, because there's some results. Usually every week, we can't show all of the results for our clients. Some clients don't want us to do that. So I'm going to make another video dedicated for, a few clients that we got results for that are allowing me to show it. There's another video before this that actually there's some deletions in that video you should watch, okay? And you might have some of the same problems that those 3 other customers had. That's a 20-minute long video. If you don't have 20 minutes to figure this out, whether you want to work with us or not, or try to do it, or whatever it is you're going to do, at least have certainty about it. Okay, don't call me and be like, I don't know, I'm not ready, and get out of here. Okay, listen, I fix credit better than you, better than anyone. Unless you can't prove that, you can't prove me wrong. I'm going to destroy everyone at Credit Repair. As funny as that sounds, that's just the thing that I do here. Okay, and our team does. So, if you hired a Lexington Law, they didn't do a job. Okay, it sounds like that's your problem. Don't call me and tell me about it unless you want to hire us and we can fix it. What we can do here is fix that for you and fix it, okay? But yeah, don't go barking up the wrong tree, okay? So please don't call us, don't bug us. Do the research, go online, go to our website. We don't advertise. How did you guys find us? Think about it. We're not reaching out for you, You're coming to us because we know what you need, and the algorithm is right. Okay, Google was right. When you found us, when you clicked on our video, when you clicked on our website, that's the answer. That's what you're looking for. There's 2 problems that you have. You probably don't have money, or you don't want to spend it because you're cheap. Well, guess what? If you're either one of those 2, you're not going to get your credit fixed. Okay? Because we know that you're too impatient to learn how to do it yourself, and I know for a fact how difficult it is by doing it. I've yet to meet anyone that says, oh, I've figured this stuff out. All the time that's involved, especially if you called us, it's for people that want to get it done quick. That's how I know that you guys don't want to learn it. The people that find us, they want to get it done quick, okay? So if you don't have money, then it's okay. Save it up, borrow it, right? That's your problem. Get your finances in check. That's fine. That's fair. I didn't always have money. I had to, make some changes. I had to make some plans. I had to, do what I had to do to get what I want. But if this is what you want, then you need to do your part, okay? You need to do your part. You need to do your homework. Don't expect to call me and ask me all these questions. I don't have time for that. I have existing clients that have already paid me, and they pay me more premium for that extra level of service. I've had a video recently about this. And I'm not going to give my time to someone that's uncertain. Just like if you go to the gym and someone's like, oh, I'm thinking about signing up. Okay, well, why don't you go think about it on yourself? Nobody's thinking in the gym. In the real world, nobody's thinking, they're doing. That's the problem. You're thinking too much, you're not doing.